Welcome back to Vintage Farmhouse Antiques and a teapot to demonstrate to you this afternoon. Piece of John Maddock's Indian tree, probably 1930s, could be late 20s, but by the styling and that squat little spout, I think this is probably a 1930s piece, just going on the design elements. So let's show you over this and have a look at it. 1.5 pint, quite a squat, round teapot. If I just hold the lid in place, you can see the side elevation there, a little over 9.5 inches. Got a very squat little short spout here, and you can see it's got a retaining sieve for the tea leaves there. Oi, you two, behave. Sorry, I've got puppies in the room trying to video with that. Needs a good clean out actually. Still got some tea leaves in it, so it is in used vintage condition, but it's in very good used vintage condition with a good glaze and good gilt retention, as you can see around the handle here. Let's show you the little lid detailing. Nice little arched handle, a nice clean inner rim, and little retention hook there, which is in, again, fine condition. We are going to give this a good wash before it goes into storage. So a lovely period Indian tree teapot. John Maddock's was one of the factories, well, most of them didn't they, produce Indian tree, but their 1930s rendition of it really is very fine, particularly with the sort of almost Greek key chinoise border design that they used on these pieces, and a good colour combination as well. Classic Indian tree design. Available for sale from the Vintage and Antiques website. We've got one of these, haven't seen one in 20 years of collecting, so it's quite a rare piece to get a teapot without any damage on it, so I'm sure this will prove very popular to Indian tree enthusiasts who will struggle to find a good teapot, to be fair. Available from the Vintage and Antiques website. We'll put a link in the description below. Thanks for watching.